gonna get when I start filming in here. But it's actually really cold outside, so I'm wearing a scarf and a sweatshirt, so you know, it's fine. But anyways, not much is new other than I added this garland along the back. Made it this morning, hung it up this morning. I mean, you know, wasn't too complicated. Used my cactus hole punch I got when I was shopping at Michael's. And yes, this is currently my heat source. So I'm gonna set that right there. Warm my hands. But yeah, welcome to the studio. I still need to work. Oh, it's not even close to being done. Like, I have so much empty space, and yeah, so. But anyways, this is the angle and the lighting, so get excited. So, we're working. Yep.
Where's this going?
We're just working here at Cafe Appalachia. What do you mean? This is my vlog. What are you talking about? So we're volunteering. We're working at this cafe. Yeah. Here's what it looks like. It's like an old church. It's all good. There's caramel brownies up there and they smell so good. Time for us to eat. Look at all this food. Yo guys, so my Ipsy came and we're just gonna do a quick unboxing. Ooh, this bag is cute. So I didn't even get the sneak peek this time, so no idea what's in it. So let's open this. There's the little card. Oh, the little text bubbles, and then it says there's no emoji for highlighter. That's cute. First we have waterproof pencil eyeliner in pearl black. Then we have this looks like this is translucent powder. It's just a white pearly color. It's the brand Extraordinary, I guess. It says Extraordinary across the front. Then we have Strictly Curls Perfect Curl Miracle Treatment. Intense moisture to defrost curls. Wow, this is like what I need. Definitely going to be testing that out. Then we have Pep and Prime Natural Radiance Base. So here's a base. Brand MAC. And then we have some BB cream, Perfect Glow. Kind of looks like sunscreen because it's SPF 30, but there's that. I think my favorite thing is the Strictly for Curls and the translucent powder, but you know, I'm gonna be using all of it. But yeah, there's my Ipsy. Hey guys, so today is Tuesday. So I just wanted to hop on and give you guys a little outfit of the week, or of the day, because I've been wanting to try and vlog more. But anyways, yesterday you guys saw I was doing volunteer work at Cafe Appalachia, and basically I was just helping. I helped prepare the lunch, and I worked from 10 to 2 getting everything ready, and then we served lunch, and I served some people. And yeah, it was super fun, and hopefully I can do it again. But anyways, outfit of the week is this. I keep saying outfit of the week, outfit of the day. This blue velvet sweater. I got it in a my thrift haul filmed a few weeks ago. And then the jeans that I got earlier on in this video. Dark blue jean. Hang on, maybe I can. They got rips. I got them early on so you guys can see it when I was shopping at Route 29. But yeah, thanks for watching this week's vlog. Bye. Hey guys, so I've actually been sick the past few days, and I'm still not feeling too well today. So that's why I haven't vlogged very much, but anyways, and I also have this huge test tomorrow that I really need to study for, because like I don't know anything and it's a bunch of numbers. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I have basketball practice. So, but it's already dark outside. But yeah, better study. And I made a song because that's a tip. That's how I remember like numbers and stuff. Make a song. It helps, trust me. Guys, so I've been sick. As you can tell, I'm stuffed up. That's why I haven't vlogged the past few days. But I'm shopping at Kmart, and they have like my 3 favorite things on wrapping paper for Christmas, because we're shopping for Christmas because it's almost Christmas. So here they are. Those and avocados with little Santa hats. They have pickles and Santa hats, and cactuses and Santa hats, and I'm definitely have to get this because it's too cute.